everyone, I am Kelly Schaffner. Welcome to my channel. I am so glad that you have joined me today. Today I am unboxing a brand new subscription to me. You read the title. You know that I am unboxing Mint Mongoose. And Mint Mongoose is a jewelry subscription service. If you are joining me for the first time, I normally do unboxings of clothing subscription services. And many of those services send jewelry, and I enjoy receiving it. I also watch lots of YouTubers that do Mint Mongoose and other jewelry subscriptions, and they get the best stuff. So the owner of this company reached out to me and asked me if I would review her product on YouTube. And so I said, why not? I mean, we're talking about jewelry. The really cool thing about this subscription service is it is really inexpensive. It is $12.99 a month, and you get 3 jewelry pieces, I believe. So when I was looking at the website, I filled out a style profile. I also signed up for a 3-month membership. I thought, to really honestly get to know a service, I think that you have to do it for more than one time. So that's what I've done. I've signed up for 3 months. One of the cool things that happens, if you have an active subscription, you get a 25% discount out of all of the things they have in their online shop. So straight away, I did end up buying a necklace that should be included in this bag, and that was offered to first-time subscribers. So I got a necklace that I can't wait to share with you, and let's just open this up and see what's in it. Here is the package. And that is so pretty. It's got, the color is almost like a Tiffany color with a wax seal on it. How am I going to open this? I guess, do I break the seal? I don't know. I don't want to open it. It's really pretty. Then we've got an envelope here. And look at, I have to give that to my husband. He'll love that. A Werther's candy. Very nice. Oh, something fell out. Oh, first thing that fell out was a little ring. And that is a little ring. Can you see that? It's got an arrow on it, so that's kind of cute. And it says, yay, it's here. Be sure to share photos or videos of your new favorite Mint Mongoose jewelry pieces with the tag hashtag Mint Mongoose to be entered to win a free month. Thank you from Mint Mongoose. I've got 2 little bundles wrapped in mint paper. This is the necklace that I purchased. And this necklace cost me $4.99. And I don't remember what it was called. And there's not an invoice in here, but it was like a rainbow unicorn necklace. So it's a rainbow colored crystal wrapped in a gold type cage. I don't know. I just thought I need that. Everyone that knows me knows how much I love color, and this is really an unusual piece, and that is why I wanted it. Hi Elijah, you're not going to eat the candy. That's for Daddy. Here's my bundle. Okay, I've got 2 pieces, so this must have been the 3rd piece. And oh, there's a note here that says if I spend $40 in their online store, I will get a free month of Mint Mongoose. So that's kind of cool. Oh, okay. This is a silver lariat type necklace. It's got a blue stone in it, and it's got more arrows to match my arrow ring there. So that's kind of cool. And I like that stone. Kind of a blue marble-ish looking. I'm going to get you guys good pictures of this jewelry, and I will also model it for you. Oh, this looks like it's all matching, which is kind of cool. The last piece we have are these earrings. And let me do this. See if I can show you. The earrings match the stone in the necklace. So these are beautiful pieces. So I am going to try all of this on. Okay, y'all, these are the earrings, and like I said, I will put some still shots of this jewelry. Ooh, it's a nice bra strap. And this is the necklace, and I didn't show you this 3D arrow there. Isn't that cool? I like this piece, and I think this piece would look, because it hangs, it does have an extender on it, but it does hang. I've got it as long as it will go, and I just think if I had a top that was higher, it would look prettier with that. And wow, I just love this piece. And there's my ring. The ring is adjustable as well, which is nice because I have those days where my hands swell up, and so that will make it nice. I think it's all very, very lovely, and it's $12.99. That's the part that blows me away. It's fun. It feels like nice quality jewelry, and I'm just impressed. And this is the rainbow crystal. Let's just call it like rainbows and unicorns. I like this a lot. This is a real fun piece. I don't even know if it's crystal. It feels like crystal and looks like crystal, but I don't know the first thing about crystals. I just know what is appealing to my eye, and I like this. I like that gold chain, cage around the stone. So, like I said, I'll put still pictures at the end of the video, so be sure and check those out. This was only $4.99, so I just can't go wrong with that price tag. I love fun jewelry that I don't get nervous about wearing it because it's too pricey or anything like that. So this subscription service is right up my alley. I have really enjoyed it. Thank you so much for joining me. If you want to try Mint Mongoose for yourself, I'm going to leave all of the information that I know in the description box below, so you can check that out. And if you try it, please let me know how it works out for you. And thank you so much for joining me once again. Please give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed the content. I really appreciate it. It does help me out. Those thumbs up are really very kind. Thank you all. And until we meet again, blessings.